Hey guys, this is a video on the new, well, one of them. I'm going to cover the new ones, but just demo one, which is my favorite, because we always need another good email. And we've got it set up here so that when you're using it like this and you've got all the your Gmails set up with a real email, you don't need phone verification. So it's pretty cool stuff. We've got semi-automation. We don't have full automation because, we're not out there, as you know, guys, to compete with all the automation 100% set and forget tools that just go ahead and make your coffee and breakfast and everything in between. We're just trying to make everything else that, you want to do a lot easier. So, like, for example, Outlook, if you want to just create an account, you now have a macro in the macro club script, and you can just double click it, or you can play selected, play checked. It's up to you. Just double click it is the easiest way to get it done. And it's going to go out and semi-automate the process like we have in Gmail. So we already have this set up in Gmail. You need to actually just go to Gmail and you press this button here. And that is going to set off the automation for Gmail. And we are looking at integrating this button to make these kind of things a little bit more accessible. But for now, that's the way it's going to work, just to keep it simple and make sure that we've got everything on our end covered and working. So Microsoft Outlook is actually a pain to do when you're doing it yourself because of the refreshing and the way that it just works. Some form fillers create issues and problems when you sign up with them. They set off like warning bells, like automation warning bells. So basically, the way that we've got it coded, as you can see, it's like a real person is typing it or pasting the stuff in like a real person. So I'm just gonna let it finish filling everything out. And you see, that's exactly how a real person would do it. And now, I guess the day, yeah, it's going to do that. Lovely. And also, don't forget, you can do this in Browsio IA and just have it with like, four or five of these at the same time, and then just go at the end when it's done all of like the main automation. And it's stopped, and you'll know it's stopped when it finishes there. So now we know it's done. So all you have left to do is select the gender, which is a male, and you don't need to put a phone number. We've put this Gmail. It fills in your Gmail, and this only works if you like this so far if you have a real Gmail connected to it. So you might as well just go ahead and set up your Outlook. SHQWS, and whatever, you always need another email. And there you go. And create an account. And it's not going to do phone verification or anything. So it just needs like an email. We've used dead emails and fake emails and it wasn't working. So I think they ping and check if it's an active or real email. So I think that's what helps here with Outlook just not doing phone verification. And there you go. Proper Outlook services, full services. And you're able to use this for when signing up to with if this then that, for your Outlook profiles and your things that you're doing with Outlook. What is it called? OneNote and so on. And there's a few other things that you do need to have an Outlook email in order to sign up to them. So there you have it. There's your Outlook email. So the other things that we've got added in are URL shorteners. So we've got 8 URL shorteners in total. And then we're adding in also another 5 macros for Pinterest, like create boards, and then what is it? There's a few other things. Create boards, and then edit the links in Pinterest, your home page, your home profile links, and the information in there, the description. And also to edit the image so you can just upload a nice profile image to your Pinterest account. And that's what's coming, guys. So this is what's in. This is getting released like now over the next 24 hours with all the bug fixes. We're just working right now on getting rid of the last bug, which is an AWS, an Amazon API change, and things have got all mixed up. So everything is just getting ironed out now, and the last thing that we're working on is getting the task force bug aligned and fixed now with the new information and API info in Amazon. All right, guys. So any questions, do comment. And I think support's calmed down a lot. I don't see a lot of support calls, although maybe I'm now tempting the devil. So do please continue to use support as is. Stanley's been helping out a lot and taking care of organizing and making sure we're able to get to all of the support in a timely manner. So hopefully this is going to cover and clear all of the current support bugs and not make way for any more for a while we get Limitless and Limitless YouTube out to you, hopefully also over the next literally couple of days. So we're working at getting all of these out to you at more or less the same time within a few days of themselves over the next couple of days. See you in a group.